Yes, good morning, everybody. Am I audible, everyone? Yes. Am I audible? Okay. Okay, guys. So let's wait for a few minutes so that everybody can join and then we will start our session. First, let me share my screen. Yeah. Is my screen visible to you all? Yes, everyone? Okay. Okay, guys. Good morning, Pranav. Okay, guys, I hope everybody has joined the session. So now let's start. So as we have started tomorrow, the OOPS concept, yes, everybody. So we have seen that what is OOPS, and we can see that in OOPS we have studied about two things basically. That is our classes and objects. Yes, guys. Yes, classes and objects. What are the classes? We create basically class. Class is basically your blueprint. Basically, we can call class is as a blueprint. And by using this blueprint, we can create n number of objects. Yes, everybody. So we are creating class basically to write our code. To access the properties of our classes, we are taking help of our objects. Yes, everybody. Yes. So by using that object, we can access the properties or the functions of our class. Yes. So this is how we create our class. Yes, guys. By using the class keyword, I write the class keyword and then the class name, whatever the name we want to give to our class. Then in class, we have certain functions. Yes. The properties of that class. And to access the properties, we use the object. Okay, we use the object. So to create object, we use a variable name and then we call the class. Okay, we call the class name. This is how we create our object. Okay, now to access the function, we basically write it like this: object dot the function name that we want to access. Okay, so this is how we created our classes and objects. Yes, everybody. In this, we have seen that list, how list is an object, like everything is an object in Python. Okay, so we have seen like this example. Okay, with the example of list, right, guys? Then we have seen about the self keyword. Yes, everybody, self keyword. So self keyword is nothing. Basically, it is just the reference of your object, that which object I am talking about. Okay, which object I am talking about. So self is nothing but yeah, the reference or the address of your object. Okay. So this is how we create about the self keyword. Yes. Then we have seen the basically the advantages of OOPS. What are the advantages? As we, by using one class, we can create n number of objects, guys. So we have a code reusability. We don't have to write the code again and again. So code reusability, OOPS gives us code reusability. Then I know that in blueprint class, I can get all the things, all the methods or functions that are required to build my house. Okay. So readability also, because I know that in blueprint class, I get all the functions that are required to build my house. Okay. So blueprint basically readability also increased. Okay. Now we have seen about the constructor, guys. What is the constructor? Basically, it is a special type of method that execute by default whenever we are creating an object. That function will call by default. Okay, so whenever we have such functions that are mandatory for everybody, for every object basically, then we use our constructor. Okay, so this is how init method, by using this init method, we create our constructor. Okay, ma'am, how do you did help list? Yeah, because help basically when you write help, so it will show you all the methods of that. Okay, help class you want to know like this, because see, this is you want to know, Shubdeep. This is what you want to know. Yes, because we are taking about the basically the object that we have. Yeah, that we have created a class. This is not an inbuilt method of object in our Python. Yeah, right? Yes or not? This class we have created, right? This is a keyword, not an object that we already have in our Python. Okay. This class we have created. Okay. If you want to know which functions in the class, to see that, we can. No, Shubdeep, see, classes are something that we create, right? It is not inbuilt in Python. It is not inbuilt in Python. Yes or not? We created classes like class registration form. We have created this. Then we have defined some methods in that. Yes or not? Yeah, correct. This is for inbuilt methods that are already in our Python. Okay. Yes. So guys, where we are? Okay, in our inheritance. Okay, guys. Yes. So in constructor. So constructor basically when we want something, whenever we want a functions that are mandatory for every object. Okay. So when we call our object, when we create our objects with the constructor, it tells to fill the details first and then it creates the object. Okay. Then it creates the object and by using that object we can access the other functions. Yes, everybody. So this is how constructor works. This is how constructor works. So everybody clear till this part? Till this part, everybody is clear? Yes, guys, tell me. Yes, now everybody can create a class and object. Yes or not? Let's say, guys, let's say to revise everybody, let's say I have created a class mathematics. Okay, let's say mathematics, I have created a class. Okay. Now in this, I am defining some functions. Let's say addition. Addition, guys. Okay. In addition, I have passed two parameters A and B. Sorry, A and B. Okay. Now in this, I am returning A plus B. Okay. A plus B. Why it is not return A plus B. Okay. Now in this, I have another function. Let's say multiplication. Multiplication. In this also, we have two parameters, guys. Yes. A and B. Now we will return A multiplied by B. Okay. Now let's say I have another function subtraction also. Subtraction. Okay. So in this, let's say A and B. And then we have return A minus B. Okay. And then last I said division. So yeah. And in this we will return A divisible by B. Okay. So this is how we create the classes. Yes or not, everybody? This is how we create our classes. Now what we will create? Now what after this? What we will create, guys? After this, what we will create, everybody? Object, correct? So let's say my object name is let's say XYZ, something like this. Okay. Then we will keep our class name, that is mathematics. Okay. So this is how we create our objects. Now we will call the functions, guys. Okay. Like XYZ dot addition, let's say. Okay. Addition. Now in this we have to pass the parameters. Let's say 2, 3. Okay. 2, 3. Now what we will do? See, you are getting the output 5. Yes or not, everybody? Yes or not? Now in this, can we create our constructor, guys? Okay, can we create our constructor? Yes or not, guys? Tell me. Like here you can see we have to pass the parameters in every function. Yes or not, guys? In every function we have to pass the variables. We have to pass the variables. So what I can do, guys? What I can do? Yeah, what I can do, guys? So we can just simply create a constructor here. Okay, like this. Okay, like this, and here I will pass myself and A, B. Okay. Now in this I will write self dot A equals to A, self dot equals to A, and then self dot B equals to B. Okay. Now here I don't have to pass the parameters. Okay. Pass inside every function after getting it in it. Yeah. So we don't have to pass this in every parameter. So by using self, what we can do, we can simply write here self dot A and self dot B. Self dot B, guys. Okay. Same with this also. Same with this self dot A and self dot B. Okay. So we don't have to pass it here. Okay. Now same with this also, guys. Okay. Same with this self dot A and self dot B. Okay. Now same with this also. So yeah, because you're calling that Harish. Okay. Because you're See, this is how you create your variable. Okay. So in self dot a, your a value is correct or not in self dot a, because why we use self keyword? That is how, because we are talking about that particular object. Okay. So self dot a, where here we have stored our variable yes or not. So that's why we are using here self dot a plus self dot b like this. Okay. In all these methods. Okay. Yes, clear or not? Yes. Okay. Now what we will do? Same with the division also, guys. Self dot a and self dot b. Okay. So yes. So now if we call our function, it will give me error. Yes, guys, because we have to pass the two required parameters. So what we will do? We will pass here something, some values. Let's say 3 and 6. Okay. Now, guys, when you call this function, you don't need to pass the parameters here. So you can simply call it like this. Okay. Clear, everybody? Clear till this part or not? Everyone tell me. Yes. Okay. So now, guys, now let's move on to our 4 pillars of OOPS basically. Okay. That is pillars of OOPS basically. Correct should be pillars of OOPS. Okay. So what are the pillars that we have? Okay. That are the main thing that we have in our OOPS. Okay. So guys, first we have, okay, we have inheritance. Okay. Inheritance. Then we have polymorphism. Okay. Polymorphism. Okay, guys. Then what we have? Encapsulation. Okay. Encapsulation. So we have created a variable named self.a which is equal to a. Yeah, see, self.a basically, yes, this is what we are passing. That a will be whenever we create our object like this. So this a will be 3 and this b will be your 6. So we are talking about this object. Okay. Okay, Harish. So that's why we give it like this. That we are talking about this object. That's why we use self. Yes or not? Okay. Can you paste the code, man? Okay. This code, Arif, I think Shubdeep has given to you. Okay. Correct. Initializing the local variables to instance variable. Yes. Okay. Mathematics missing 2 position. Yes. See, you have to pass here 2 parameters. You have to pass here 2 parameters because whenever you're creating objects, your init method will call by default. Yes. So just pass these 2 parameters. So you have already passed the parameters. Can you give me the code what you have written? Yes, guys. So tell me about the 4 pillars that we have, like inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and the last is our abstraction. Okay. Last is our abstraction, guys. Okay. Abstraction. Okay, you have given me the code. Let me just check. Class mathematics. Yes. See, you don't need to pass the parameters in every functions. See, so you can just write self in every methods. Okay, you don't have to pass the parameters a and b because we have already defined it in our constructor. Okay. So in other function, just write self. Okay. Yes, see, clear? Okay. Now guys, so these are the 4 pillars that we basically have in our OOPS. Okay. So let's see one by one. One by one, we will see our pillars. Okay. So first, let's see inheritance, guys. Okay. Inheritance. Inheritance. Yes, everybody. So now what you will tell me about inheritance, like in normal life, not in coding and all. Okay. What do you mean by inheritance? Yes, everyone. What do you mean by inheritance? Tell me, guys, everybody, what do you mean by inheritance? Reusability of code. No, not I'm not talking about this. I'm just in general, what do you understand by inheritance? Not in the coding and all, that reusability of code. Okay, we will see that. But in normal life, what we can call it as an inheritance. Yes, everybody. Like inheritance can be called it like when we inherit some properties from someone, yes or not? Yes, correct. Retaining properties, yes. Like let's say, for example, let's say we have inheriting some properties from our parents or not, yes or not? Yes, like this is my father. I am inheriting some properties from my father or not? Yes, like my body shape or something like, let's say, color. Yes, eyes, nose. Yes, everybody inherits some properties from his, father and mother, from his parents. Yes or not? So from father, son is inheriting some properties. So this is what inheritance is in normal life. Yes or not, guys? In normal life, when we inherit some properties from someone, that is inheritance. Yes, guys. So now let's say when we are talking about this, programming. Let's say we have a class. Let's say we have a class customer, guys. Okay, let's say we have a class customer. Okay, now customer can have different functions. Let's say it can have the details. Okay, details. Let's say it has some details. Okay, now let's say, guys, okay, now let's say customer has some function. Let's say games. Okay, games. Let's say games. Okay, now let's say customer has some payments. Okay, payments. Now, guys, so this is our customer class. It has some methods. Now let's say, guys, now let's say we have another class, that is our admin. Okay, let's say admin. We have a class, let's say admin. Okay, now in admin class, it has its own methods. Let's say some tools. It has some tools admin has. Okay, now as let's say admin has what clients we can say. Now let's say admin has what we can say, accounts. Okay, guys, accounts we admin have. So accounts. Now, guys, let's say, now if I say that when customer will face some problem, like when customer has some problem, where he will go? Like if customer gets some problems, where he will go? He will go to the admin, yes or not, guys? Okay, he will go to the admin. If he get any problem, he will go to the admin, yes or not, guys? Okay. Now, if admin wants to help the customer, he should know about the functions of customer or not, guys. Okay. Yes, tell me, everybody. If admins wants to help the customer, he should know about the customer functions. Then only he can help. So he should know about these methods. Yes or not, guys? Tell me. Yes, everybody tell me. So what we can do, guys? Everybody tell me what we can do. What we can do so that customer will get help from the admin. What we can do, guys? Yes, you can suggest me something that what we can do, everybody. We can simply copy these functions in admin class. This is the one thing we can do. Yes or not, everybody? Yes, we can do this. But what if we have so many functions? Are you going to copy all this? If we have so many functions, are you going to copy all this, guys? Tell me, everyone. No? No, guys? Yes, if we have so many functions, we don't copy all these functions in admin. Yes, the only get the function is getting problem in. No, see, if the customer is facing any particular problem, that is okay. But if we are facing any problems in more than one function, then what we can do? We don't know that what the customer is facing. Admin don't know. So he has to access all the functions of the customer or not. Yes. So what we can do, guys, rather than copying this, what we can do, we can inherit the properties of customer in admin. Okay. So what we can do, we can inherit the properties. So how do we inherit, guys? Let's see. Okay. let's see with the code. Okay. Yes, guys. Okay. Let's see with the code that how we inherit some properties. Okay. So let's say everybody, I'm creating a class, simple class I'm creating. Let's say father I'm creating. Okay. So father class I'm creating. Okay. So just a second. Now in this father class, let's say I'm defining some function star. Okay. Let's say car. Okay. Now print like this is our car. Okay. Now let's say we have another function in father. Let's say house. Okay. House. So now in this, we will print this is our house. Okay. So this is the class father. Okay. This is our class father, guys. Okay. Now let's say I have another class. Let's say class is sun, guys. Okay. Sun class. Okay. Now in this sun class, we have its own functions. Let's say bike. Bike. Everyone. Okay. Now I'm printing. This is my bike. Okay. Now let's say defining room. Okay. Room. Now let's say it is saying print. This is my room. Okay. This is my room. Okay. So simply what we have done, we have created two classes. Yes, everybody. We have created two classes. Now what we will create? What we will create, everyone? We have created the classes. Now what we will create? Objects. Yes, correct. So let's say I have created an object OB. Let's say okay, sun object I have created. Okay, sun object of sun class I have created. Okay. So now guys, what we can do? Self will remain same in both the classes, or we have to define different variable for sun. No, no, no. It will be same for everything. Okay, self is just basically the reference of your object. Okay. It is not anything. You can give in the place of self, you can give anything. Okay. So it is just the reference of your object. Okay. Okay, see. Yes. Yes, Seep, are you clear? Yeah. Yeah. See, we have, yeah, correct. This is different because we create the different object for both the, father and son, because these are the two different class. Yes. Correct. So now let's say I have created the object of sun. Okay. I have created the object of sun. So now if I want to run, let's say if I have created the object, now let's say if I want to get the object of my functions of my class, and I can get it like bike. This is my function, so I can get the output. Yes, this is my bike. Same, I can get the room also. Yes or not, guys? Yes or not? Okay. Simply we can get this. Okay. Now let's say if I want like the car of the father, that is accessible for son also. Yes or not, everybody? Like if the father has a car, the son also can get this. Yes or not, everybody? Yes. If father has some car, like in normal life, Shubdeep, if your father has some car, you can also access it or not. Yes, in normal life, what I'm talking about, like if your father has a car, you will access this. Yes or not? So if the father has the car, son can access it. Now how we can access this? Now how we can do this? That is what inheritance comes. So son should extend father. No, what I'm talking about, okay? Like this is the father. Father has some car, so son should also access the car. Okay, son should also access the car. So what I will do, I will inherit the properties of father. Okay, what son will inherit the properties of father. So what I will do, guys? Okay, now in this son, I will inherit the properties of father like this. Okay, so this is how we have created the inheritance. So what we have done here, we have inherited father class. Okay, we have inherited father class in son class. Okay, in son class. Okay, guys. So what we have done, we have inherited the father class in son class. Okay, in the son class, guys. Okay, so now if you guys, now what you will do, if you guys run this, okay, if you guys run this, now you will see, like if I create the object of, now I will run the function of father. Okay, now by using the object of child, I will run the function of father. So let's say house, guys. Okay, house. So now you will get the output. This is our house. See, you can access the properties of your, yeah, I'm repeating. Okay, let's say, guys, what I'm saying. Okay, I have created a class father. I have created a class son. Okay, I have created a class son. Okay, now I'm creating the object of my son class. Okay, now I can access the properties of my son class. Yes, this is okay. This is okay. Yes, everybody, I can access the properties of my son class. Yes, now what I'm saying, that if my father has some car, I can also access it. Yes, 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 keep multiple inheritance supported. We will see. Okay. Yeah, correct. Transferring one class attribute to another class. Yes, that is what inheritance basically. Okay. Like we inherit some properties from the parent class. Okay. So guys, what we are doing, this is our father class, this is our son class. What I'm saying, that if my father has some car, I also can access it. So now how we can access this? How we can access this? Like in oops, we can see we cannot access the other class methods. Yes, we cannot access the other class methods. So what we can do here, inheritance comes, guys. Okay, here inheritance come. So here we will inherit the properties of my father. So how we can inherit is, we just write the class name like braces, and then we will pass the parent class, that is our father. Okay, so here, okay, so here father is the customer and son is the admin. Yes, yes, this is how you can tell. Okay, this is how I'm just talking about the inheritance. Okay, this is how you can inherit the property of your, whatever the property you want to inherit. Okay, so this is how we can inherit. Okay, so if we write it like this, it means the son can access the properties of the father. Okay, the son can access the properties of the father. Okay, so this is how inheritance is done. Okay, yes, clear or not, everybody? Clear or not? Like if you want to access the property of the basically the parent class. Okay, so this is what, this is what we called it as a parent class. Okay, from which we are inheriting, that is called our parent class. Okay, so this class we call it the parent class. So the class basically that we inherit. Okay, that we inherit, that is known as, basically known as your parent class, guys. Okay, parent class. Okay, and now this son is basically your child class. Okay, so this is your child class, guys. Okay, child class. Clear? Yeah, correct, Sudhir. Father is your base class. This is called as a parent class or base class, we can call it. Okay, yes, clear now, guys? Like this is your parent class and this is your child class. Okay, now from your parent, you inheriting the properties of parent in your child class. Okay, clear or not, everybody? Clear or not? Like how this inheritance is performing? Yes, clear? Yes, so you can access the property of your, what is the use? See, it will reusability, basically reusability. You don't have to write the code. Like if I want to access these functions, I don't need to copy the code and put it in the son class. Yes, I can simply do this. Arif, I can simply do this. So it will basically we can reuse the code. Reusability of the code. Yes, this is the main advantages of inheritance. Yes. Yeah, correct. We will see, Sanit. We will see inheritance. We have some types also, like single, multiple, multi-level. Okay, we will see that. Okay. So, can you please tell why father is the parent class and son is the child class? See, in normal life, Shubdeep, you can tell like father can access. Yes, guys. Everybody tell me, like father can access the property of son or not? Yes, everybody tell me. Like we can access the property of our father. Yes, we access our properties of our father. Like then no father cannot access the property of a son. Like if I will tell you guys, okay, if I will tell you like something like your father has teach you something, okay? Like everybody's father teach something to their child. Yes or not, everybody? Are the father get some learning from the son? Yes, guys, tell me, everybody. Father learn something from their son, or son learn something from their father? Yes, everybody, tell me. Yes, correct. Like father can has the properties, father can has its own properties, but he cannot access like in normal. We cannot access the property of our son. If you want, you can do this. Okay, if you want, you can do this. Like you can inherit like something like here, but this is not right, guys. Okay, this is not right. Yes or not, everybody? This is not right. Like we learn something from our parents, right? Parents don't learn something from us. Yes or not, guys? Yes or not? Like in normal life, you can think, Kiran, like your parents will learn something. Sorry, you learn something from your parents. Your parents does not learn something from you. Yes or not? Tell me, everyone. Is this right? Is this right? Yes, guys, tell me, everybody. Yes. So this is how we can call this as a parent class. Okay. Yes, guys, clear? Clear, Shubdeep now? Yes, tell me. Is it like you have a baby and you can give him her ice cream, but she will not? Yeah, correct. That is what you can call it. But like the most suitable example will be like we learn from our parents, right? We learn from our parents, but our parents don't learn the things from us. Yes. Okay, clear now, everybody? Like how this inheritance is performing? Yes, everybody tell me now. Correct. Now, guys, here we can see we have a one parent class and one child class. One parent class and one child class. Yes. Now, a parent can have multiple child also. Yes or not, guys? Tell me. A parent can have multiple childs. Yes or not, everybody? Let's say a parent. Let's say A is our parent. Okay. A is our parent. Now, this parent can have multiple child. Like it can have the child B. Yes. B also. And C also. Yes. B also and C also. So B can inherit the property of A. Yes or not, guys? B can inherit the property of A. And C also can inherit the property of A. Clear? Yes or not, everyone? Yes or not, everybody? Yes. Now, if B and C can inherit the properties of each other, yes, guys, tell me, everyone. If B and C are related to each other, anyhow, B and C are related to each other. Yes, tell me, everybody. What are your views in this? Like, if B and C can inherit the properties of each other or not? No, because B and C are not related to each other. They are related to only A. Yes, like B can inherit the properties of A and C can also inherit the properties of A. Yes, but B cannot access the property of C. Yes, clear, everybody? Clear? Now, so this is what we called it. Now, this is what we called it as a hierarchical inheritance. Okay. So this is the part of our inheritance, like basically the types of inheritance. In this, we have a hierarchical inheritance. Okay. Hierarchical inheritance. Okay. Now, what is a hierarchical inheritance basically, guys? Okay. In hierarchical inheritance, a parent can have multiple child. Okay. A parent can have the multiple child. Okay. So this is what hierarchical inheritance is. Okay. So in this we have one parent. Okay. One parent class and multiple child class. Okay. Multiple child class. Okay. So this is what hierarchical inheritance is. Okay. This is your hierarchical inheritance. Now let's say, guys, let's say I'm creating my hierarchical inheritance. See, Let's say this is a class. Okay. Now let's say a teacher. Okay. Class teacher. Okay. Now in this we have some functions. Let's say define Python. Okay. Python. Now in this we have print. Let's say you can find Python methods. Okay. You can find the Python methods. Now let's say we have another function. Let's say DSA. Okay, DSA. Let's say okay. Now let's say print. Here you can find the DSA questions. Okay, DSA questions. Now let's say guys, so this is your teacher class. Okay, now let's say this is your parent class basically guys. Okay, now we will create this child class. Let's say in this class we have let's say online teaching. Okay, online teaching guys. Okay, online teaching. Now guys, let's say in this is our online teaching. Now in this let's say we have exams. Let's say exams. Now we will print something. Okay, like we have a quiz on Sunday. Okay, we have a quiz on Sunday guys. Okay, now let's say guys, I'm defining another function, timings. Okay, timings. Now in this we have self. Okay, let's say print the timing. Let's say our class timing. Our class timing is let's say 9 to 10. Okay, or 9 to 3 p.m. Okay, now this is your child class, one child class. Okay guys, now let's say I've created another child class. Let's say offline learn. Okay, offline teaching. Offline teaching guys. Okay, offline teaching. Okay, now in this, okay, offline teaching. Now in this we have some functions. Let's say we have timings. Now we will print. Let's say our class timing is let's say we can say 11 to 4. 11 to 4 p.m. By self in sorry guys. Yeah. Okay. Now let's say guys we have another function. Let's say defining let's say syllabus. Okay. Now let's say syllabus we have. Okay. Now let's say print. Here I will printing. We have 8 subjects. Okay, 8 subjects. Yeah, that I have corrected. See, sorry, Sanil. Okay, Sanil and see those. Yeah, and break it in class. Yeah, it's clear now. Clear everybody. So what we have done, we have created 3 classes basically. Okay, we have created 3 classes. Yes, everyone. We have created 3 classes. Okay. Now what we will do? Everybody, objects. We'll create our objects. Yes, everyone. Now let's say in online teaching, let's say we have a student. Let's say Shubdeep. Okay, Shubdeep. I'm creating the object like this. Okay. Now it belongs to online teaching. Okay, online teaching. Online teaching. Okay. Now we will create offline teaching object. Let's say SEEP. Okay. Offline teaching guys. Okay. Offline teaching. Now let's say my name is Lavanya and I'm the teacher. Okay. So this is my teacher class. Okay. like this. Okay. So now we have created the object, guys. Okay, we have created the object. Now if I write Shubdeep, okay. Now if I write here Shubdeep dot, I can access the online teaching methods. Yes, everybody. By calling this Shubdeep object, I can access the online teaching methods. Yes, like let's say exams. No, till now not. What, Shubdeep? Why? 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 No, I am talking about you can inherit the property of online teaching. This object, like we have created a Shubdeep object, he can access the property of online teaching or not. Yes, everybody. Yes, tell me, everybody. See, we have a quiz on Sunday. He can access his property. Yes, Shubdeep. Like you have, let's say, what you have. You have timings also. You have timings also. So what you can access? You can access the timings. Yeah, its own property he can access. Same with Sheep also. Same with Sheep also. He can access the property of his own, like syllabus. He can access. Yes, like syllabus he can access. Yes, see, he can access the timings also. We say that timings also. Sorry. Yes, guys, clear. Now let's say, guys. Now let's say these both student can access the teacher also, like the properties of the teacher also, like Python and DSC. Yes or not, guys? Okay. Yes or not, guys? If the same teacher is teaching both the students or both the classes, he can access the property of teacher also. Yes, guys. So what we will do? We will inherit the property. Yes or not, guys? Yes or not, guys? So in both the classes, we will inherit the property of our teacher class, like this, guys. Yes, correct. Yes, guys. Now let's say, guys, if I want to access like Shubdeep, okay. Now what I am doing, I can access the Python function. Yes, guys, Python function. See, you can find Python more methods. Clear or not? Now Sheep can also access, let's say, Sheep dot Python. See, guys, you can find Python methods. Clear or not, everybody? Clear how hierarchical inheritance is doing? Yes, everybody. So now in hierarchical inheritance, what we have? We have one parent class, but we can have the multiple child class. Okay. What is hierarchical inheritance? We can have one parent class and multiple child class. Yes or not, guys? Clear? Anybody any doubt in this? Tell me. Kindly go slow. Okay, Arif. Okay. Repeat. Okay. Now what I'm saying. Okay. Okay, Arif has some doubts, so we can clear this. Now what I'm saying, Arif, see, this is our parent class. Yes or not? This is our parent class. Okay. Yeah, correct. Here parent is sharing to child, but children are not sharing. Okay. Go to object. Okay. See, this is how we create the three objects. Basically, we have three classes. So we have created the three objects. Clear till this part. Now Shubdeep can access his properties like by using object dot function. Yes. So he can access the property of exams and timings. He has exams and timings. Yes. Yes, Arif. Now Sheep can also access his properties. Now what I am doing, let's say these both functions, these both classes can inherit the properties of teacher also. Like what the teacher is teaching, DSA and Python, they can access this. Yes or not? Yes or not? Yeah, correct. So what we can do if we want to access the property of the teacher, this both class, if they want to access the property of their teacher, what they can do? They can inherit the func class. Yes or not? Yes or not? So here we are inheriting the class. See, here we are inheriting the class in both the classes. Yes. Yes, Arif. So now if you see, Shubdeep can access the teacher method. And Sheep can also access the teacher method. Yes, clear? So this is what hierarchical inheritance is. Okay, this is what hierarchical inheritance, guys. Okay, like we have one parent class and this parent can have multiple child class. Okay, so these child class can access the property of the parent. Okay, so in this, what is the parent class? Everybody tell me, what is the parent class? That is your teacher. And what are the child classes? What are the child classes? Online teaching and offline teaching. Yes, clear? Correct. So clear with this hierarchical inheritance, everybody? Yes. So correct, object and instance are same. Object and instance, basically that are your variables. Okay, if object and instance. Okay, that are your variables. Okay, can you please browse to the first example as well? Sorry, which example, Sunil, you are talking about? This. Yes, Sunil. Okay. So this is your code. I can copy this. Okay, I can copy this in the chat. This is fine. But what if sister and brother? But what if it is sister and brother? Sorry, or father and mother, or we don't get like this. Sorry, Lavanya, what is your question? What is your question? I'm not getting. For explaining multiple classes, this example is fine, but there is a difference between is a relationship and has a relationship, right? Sorry, I want to see how object is defined. Sunil, this is the object. This is how we define the object. Correct. This is basically A, B, and ACC. You can see with the diagram, everybody. You can see with the diagram easily. Okay. Can we make two parent class and pass two parent properties or functions to the children? See, we can get the two parents also, guys. Okay. We will see in next type. Okay. We will see next type. Okay. We will see the next type like multiple inheritance. Then we will see we have multiple parents. Okay. Yes. Correct. Okay. Online class has a teacher, but online class is a teacher. Sorry, Keith, what you are trying to is not right. No, see here what I'm trying to say. Simply you can understand in hierarchical inheritance, you have only one parent class, okay, and that parent class can have multiple child, okay. That parent class can have multiple childs, okay, multiple childs, okay. Yes. So you have to make a parent class. Okay, this is your parent class, and by using this parent class, so these are the child classes, and these child classes can access the property of our parent class. This is what simply in hierarchical inheritance is. Okay. Yes, clear. Everybody clear till not or not? Yes. Yes, guys, tell me clear or not. Like what is hierarchical inheritance? Simply you can understand that there is one parent class and that parent class can have multiple child class. Okay, multiple child class. Clear up? Clear now? Okay. Yes, so we can move on to another type like what we if we have multiple parents and one child. Yes, guys, tell me what if we have multiple parents and one child class? Yes, yes, that we can have. So this is what, let's say, what I'm trying to say, like let's say I have a parent, okay, a parent. Now I have another parent, that is B, okay. Now this is my child class, okay. Now, yeah, correct, this is my child class, okay. Now A can inherit the property, sorry, C can inherit the property of A, correct or not, guys? C can inherit the property of A. Yes. How is classical diamond problem handled if both parents have same method, which is one of, see, both parent have same methods, okay, which one is inherited? What you are trying to say, like this in this multiple inheritance, Keith? Yes, yes or not? Yes, tell me. Okay, so first we will see what is multiple inheritance. Okay, first we will see what is multiple inheritance. Let's see first. Okay, so now this C can inherit the property of A and C can inherit the property of B also. Yes or not? First, let's understand what is multiple inheritance. Yes or not, everybody? C can access the property of A also and C can access the property of B also. Yes, guys, tell me. Yes, now let's see, guys. Now let's see, everybody. So, multiple inheritance. So, yeah. So, in multiple inheritance, what we have? Whenever we have, okay, in multiple inheritance, what we have? We have multiple parent class. Yes, yes or not, guys? Then we have multiple parent class. Okay. Yes. Let's say, guys, I'm creating a class. Let's say father. Okay. Let's say father. Now in this father class, we have some function, guys. Okay. Let's say car. Okay. Car we have. Okay. Yes. Now we will print like this is our car. Okay. Now let's say has another function. Let's say define a house. Okay, house. Let's say now in this what we have print. Let's say this is our house. Okay. Now let's say, guys. Now let's say we have another class. Let's say uncle. Okay, uncle. Now let's say, guys. Okay. Uh, in this, let's say we have function. Let's say garden. Okay. Now let's say in this we will print this is our garden. Okay. Now let's say we have another function. Let's say bike. Okay. Now in this what we can say like print this is our bike. Okay. Now this is your parent class, guys. Okay. Now we will create our child class. Okay. Now let's say class son. Okay. Class son. Okay. Now let's say it has its room. This print this is my room. Okay. This is my room. Okay. Now let's say defining let's say phone. Okay. Phone. Now let's say print this is my phone. Okay. This is my phone. Yes. Now guys we have created the class. Everybody we have created the class. Yes. Now what we will do? Yes. Yes or not, guys? Tell me, everybody. So now we will create object. Let's say I have created an object OB that is sun. Okay. So this is my object. Now OB can access the property of sun. Let's say phone. Yes, guys, phone and room also. Yes or not, guys? Room also. Now guys, he can access his uncle's property and father's property. Yes or not, guys? Yes or not? No? Why, Chirag? Yes? You can access the property of your uncle and father. Yes or not? Yes. So how we can do? Yeah. Yes, we did not inherit it yet. So what we will do? How we can access? We will inherit it. Okay. We will inherit it. Okay. Now we will inherit it. Let's say father and uncle. Okay, so this is how we inherit. This is how we inherit. So this son can inherit the property of father and uncle both. Yes or not? So now, if we run this, now we can access the property of father and uncle. So he can access house, yes or not? And he can also access the, let's say, bike. Yes or not, guys? Bike. Yes. So you can see this is how multiple inheritance work. This is how multiple inheritance work. Yes or not? Yes or not? What if we keep a function with same name in father and uncle class? So whatever you call, see, you can do this. Okay, you can do this. Like here, you can also write house. See, this is our house. Okay, this is our house. So this is the case of polymorphism, Harish. Okay, this is the case of polymorphism, guys. When we will see that if we have the same function name, so the latest one will fall. Okay, so we will see this concept in our polymorphism. Okay, everybody, we will see this concept in our polymorphism. Okay, okay. Can it be more than two? I'm not getting an error. Okay. Yes, Chirag, what you're trying to say? I'm getting an attribute error. Just check the spelling, Sunny. Just check the spelling. Yes. Parents, ma'am, can it be more than two? Parents, can it be more than? Yes, you can. Okay. Okay. But father's house can carry other statement, and unless uncle's functions can carry other statement, what is that case? See, this is what inheritance is. Okay, like let's say if I write here, this is our house. What we can write, like this is our big house. Okay, let's say this I will do. Okay, this is our big house. Okay, now if I run this, okay, now if I run this, okay, now you will see this is our big house. Okay, because whatever we have latest created, that will be called. Okay, Shubdeep, we will see this is the overriding method overriding. We will see this concept in polymorphism. Okay, we will see this concept in polymorphism. Okay, yeah. Okay, clear everybody? Clear how the multiple inheritance is working? Yes? Clear everybody? Clear? Yes? Okay. Okay. So this is how multiple inheritance work. Okay. Whenever we have multiple parent class. Okay. Clear everybody? Clear or not? Yes, tell me everyone. Anybody any doubt in this? Anybody any doubt in this? Why is uncle house method not printing? That is what method overriding, Keith. That is what method overriding. We will see in polymorphism that concept. Okay. Method overriding. Okay. Whatever the latest functions we have, we will create, that will call. That we will be called. Okay. That will be called. We will see this concept in polymorphism. Okay. Now clear everybody? Clear with multiple inheritance? Okay. Yes. Okay. Now can we move on? Can we move on to other type also? Now, can we move on to other type? Yes, guys, tell me everybody. Yes, guys, tell me. Okay. Now what we have? Now, guys, what we have? Now, guys, what we have in our inheritance? Hybrid inheritance. Have you studied about the hybrid inheritance we have? Okay. Now, first let's see. Okay. First we will see multi-level. Okay. Now, first we will see multi-level, then hybrid we will see. Okay. Let's say multi-level. Okay. Now, what is multi-level? Like you have studied about the grandfather, then parent, and then you. Yes or not, everybody? Like grandfather, then parent, and then you. Can we have go for a small break? Okay, everybody. Are you guys want break? Yes. Okay, 5 minutes. 5 minutes is okay, everybody. Okay. 10 minutes, 5 or 10, everybody clear? Okay, 10, 10, okay. Complete the inheritance then. Arif, let's wait for 10 minutes. Then we will continue the inheritance, okay? We're left with only two types, okay? Multi-level and then hybrid, okay? So I will give you 10 minutes break. Sorry, thank God. I'm still getting error that some object has no attribute house. Sanil, can you see? Give me the code. Give me the code. Okay. You have created the father class functions, create son. Yes. Now, what is the object? Give me the object code also, Sanil. Give me the object code. Yes. Now, what we have called? Now, have you called any function? Have you called any function after creating the object? Okay, ob dot bike and ob dot room, ob dot house. Correct. This is correct. Your code is correct, Sanil. Sun object has no attribute house. Sun object has no attribute house. Have you run the cell? Just run the cell again. Okay. Just run the cell again. Okay. Just run every cell. It prints hello from A. You have used the super method, yes, Keith. But B is latest, right? B is latest because you have used the super function. You have used the super function, right, Keith? You have used the super function. So when you run that, what super function does basically, that will give you the inherit the property of class A in your class C. Okay. In your class C, you will inherit the property of A by that super function. Okay. By that super function. Yeah, correct. Super means from parents. Okay. Not only from parents, whatever you have created, like super dot, what you write in that, that will call automatically. Okay. And methods will call which class you will write after the super. Okay. Okay. Why not B? See. See, you have used the MRO, okay, called greets from A because of MRO, okay. Now see, you have called the greet func methods, okay. You have called the greet methods or not? Yes. Like by using super methods here, you are using the concept of MRO basically. Yes. So what it does, okay. Now what it does basically, like it is used for the diamond problem which you have tell me, okay, which you have tell me, right? Yes or not? MRO basically it stands for method resolution order. Okay, method resolution order. Okay, it has some order basically. Okay, it has some order. So what order you will follow, that only you will print. Okay, it has particular order. Like let's say you have created a functions. Basically, let's say class, you have created a class, and then in B you are inheriting the property of A. Okay. Now in C also you are inheriting the property of A. Now in B class, okay, in B class you have inherited the property of B also and C also. Okay, B also and C also. Okay, so what order it falls? Okay. Are you guys getting voice and see the live screen? Yes, everybody. Can you see the live screen? Yes, everyone. Am I audible? Yes. So what I'm trying to say, teens, like if you have created a class, let's say A, B, C, and D in this order. Okay. Now in D, you have inheriting the property of B and C. Okay, B and C are inheriting. Okay. Now, what order? Yeah, what order it follows? Like using MRO, what order it follows? It follows the order like D, B, C, and then A. Okay. It is the order that it follows. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Arif, let me just see your code. Define in it. Okay. Sound. Okay. In dog, yes, you are inheriting. In class, you are inheriting. Yes, this is inheritance, Arif. This is inheritance. See, you can inherit the property. Okay, you are inheriting it. So this is inheritance. Now you can tell which type of inheritance is this. Now you tell me which type of inheritance is this. Yeah, correct. It follows a hierarchy. Correct, multiple. Okay, Sudhir. Okay, okay, Keith. Yes, correct. Okay. Yes, guys. Everybody, are you come from the break? Yes, everybody. Okay. Now let's see about the multi-level inheritance. Okay, multi-level inheritance. Okay. Now what is multi-level inheritance? Let's see with diagram first. Okay, let's see with diagram first. Like you, everybody. Let's say this is your grandfather. Yes, everybody, grandfather. Then what? Then what, guys? Grandfather. Then what? Father. Yes or not? Yes or not, guys? And like this. Okay, and then son. Okay, then son. So this is what multi-level is basically. Like this is this is a base class. Okay, now father is inheriting the property from grandfather and son is inheriting the property from father. Yes, yes or not, guys? Yes or not? Yes. So here we can see son is inheriting the property from father and father is inheriting the property from son. So this is what multi-level inheritance is, like level by level. Okay. So this is what multi-level inheritance is. Okay. Now let's see, guys. Okay. Now let's see how I will give you. Okay. Let's see. I will give you a good example basically. Okay, which we can understand. Okay. Let's say I have a class. Okay. Let's say, guys, everybody, I have a class. Let's say IIT. Okay. IIT class. Okay. Now let's say, everybody, I am defining a function. Let's say classes. Okay. Classes, and then I have passed here like this. Okay. Now let's say print. These are the classes. Okay. These are the classes. Now let's say I have another function. Let's say events. Okay. Events. Now let's say in this I am printing these are the events. Okay. These are the events. Okay. These are the events type. Okay. Now what is the self inside the function? We have studied about the self keyword, Srinivasa. In yesterday's class, we have studied about the self keyword, that the reference of our object, which object we are referring to. That is what self is, Srinivasa. Yes. Now, guys, what we have, let's say we have a class IntelliPad. Okay. Let's say we have a class IntelliPad, guys. Okay. Now, let's say, yeah, you've missed the yesterday class. Okay. You can watch the recording. Okay. You can watch the recordings. Let's say IntelliPath has its own courses. Okay. IntelliPath has its own courses. Okay. So let's say own courses. Okay. Now let's say, okay. Now I am printing here. Okay. Ma'am, can you please repeat? I was disconnected. Yeah, Shubdeep, what we are trying to say, we are talking about multi-level inheritance. Okay. Now what is multi-level inheritance? Let's say you have a grandfather and then father and then son. Okay. In this way. Okay. In this way, like level by level. Okay. Like father can inherit the property of grandfather and son can inheriting the property of father. Yes. So this is what multi-level inheritance is. Okay. We will see the example. First, I'm creating my class. Okay. Let me just write the code. Then I will explain to you all. Okay. Like let's say here I will print these. These are our courses. These are our courses. Okay. Now let's say in this I have a session. Okay. Let's say I have sessions. Now in this what we have print. Let's say these are our sessions. These are our sessions. Now let's say we have a class learners. Okay, learners. Okay. Now first I will do like LMS. Okay, let's say LMS I have. Okay. Now in this what I will do, let's say print. This is our course portal. Okay, course portal I can say. Okay, now let's say it has a function, what we can say, like WhatsApp group. Okay, WhatsApp group. Okay, now in this printing. This is our WhatsApp group. Okay. This is our WhatsApp group. Okay. Now, so this is how we have created the class, guys. Okay, we have created the class. Now, what we will do? Object. Yes, everybody. Object. So let's say OB is my object. Yeah, please share the code. Okay. Yes, this is the course code, everybody. Okay. So now let's say I have created the object. Okay, I have created the object. Let's say IntelliPad. This is my object. Okay. Now I have created the object of IntelliPad, guys. Now what are the properties that IntelliPad can access? What are the properties that IntelliPad can access? He can access own courses. Yes, he can access own courses. Yes, everybody. OB dot own courses. Own courses, yes or not, everyone? OB dot own courses. Yes, see, you're getting the output. Or what OB can access? What session he can access? Sessions. Yes, guys, sessions. See, you are getting the output. Yes or not, everyone? You are getting the output. Yes. Now let's say I have created the object of learner. Let's say ABC. I have created the object of learner. Okay, learners. Okay. Now let's say guys, ABC what he can access? LMS he can access. LMS. Yes or not, guys? Now what he can access? He can access the WhatsApp group. WhatsApp group he can access. Yes. Now guys, you are learners. You are the learners, guys. You can access the IntelliPad course. You can access the class IntelliPads. You can access their courses and their sessions. Yes or not, guys? So we can inherit here IntelliPad. Yes, guys. Now in IntelliPad, we can access the IIT courses. Yes or not, guys? The events and the classes. Yes. So here I can inherit the IIT. Yes. Now, guys. Now let's see. So IntelliPad can access the events of IIT. So OB dot events we can access. Yes. See, these are our events. Okay. Now these learners like you guys can access the courses of IntelliPad. You can access the courses of IntelliPad, guys. Yes or not? So IntelliPad courses you can access. Yes or not, guys? Okay. Like this. See, you can access the sessions of IntelliPad also. Yes or not, guys? You can access the IntelliPads. Yeah. Wait, should be okay. Wait. Okay. Let's say I can access the sessions of IntelliPad also. Sorry, guys. See this. Yes, clear. Now, guys, you guys can also access the IIT courses. Yes or not, guys? Yes or not? Yes. Through IntelliPad, you can access the courses of IIT also, guys. Yes or not, everybody? Via IntelliPad, you can access the courses of IIT also. Yes. So let's see. ABC dot what is the courses of IIT classes? Okay, let's say classes is the object of functions of IIT. Yes. Is my spelling is correct, right? Yes. Okay. Now see, you can access the classes of IIT also. Yes. So this is what multi-level inheritance is. Okay. Like you can access the property of your father also and grandfather also. So learners can access the courses of IntelliPad also, and they can get the events and classes of IIT also through IntelliPad. Yes, through IntelliPad. Yes or not, guys? Clear? Clear, everybody? Yes, everyone is clear. Okay. Yes, anybody need doubt? No? Clear with this? Okay. Now we are left with one more inheritance, that is our hybrid inheritance, guys. Okay. Yes, I'm getting error. What is the error? See, can you give me the code? Okay. Now, guys, let's see hybrid inheritance. Okay. Hybrid Inheritance. Attribute error again. See, just check the spelling and all. IntelliPad. Just run the code again. Just run the code again. See. Okay. Yes, clear. Clear, everybody. Clear or not? Anybody any doubt? So we can move on to hybrid inheritance. Okay. Now what is hybrid inheritance basically? Now what is hybrid inheritance? Let's see guys. Okay. All mix. Yeah, correct. Should be correct. You can say that like the addition of two basically two inheritance. Okay. The addition of two inheritance. Okay. Now let's say in this, let's say I have a class A. Okay. I have a class A. Okay. I have a class A. Okay. So now let's say it has a child B. Okay. This, and it has a child C like this. Okay. It has a child C like this. Okay. Okay. Clear? Now this is what type of inheritance. Please copy paste whole code in chat. Which Harish, this code, this code you are talking about? I have already pasted like. Okay. See, this is the code with objects also. Okay, Harish, yes. Clear? Okay. Can we do it in one cell, right? Yeah, you can. You can. Okay, Shruti. It is just so that you guys cannot be confused. I am writing it in the another cell. Okay. Yes, everybody. Now, what type of inheritance is this? Okay, what type of inheritance is this? Tell me, everyone. Tell me, everybody. Yes. Tell me, guys. Yes. Yes. Clear. This is your multiple inheritance. This is your multiple inheritance. Yes or not? Everybody, tell me, guys. This is your multiple inheritance. Yes. Are you sure, guys? This is multiple inheritance. Yes, everyone. Normal. Okay, normal inheritance. Yes. Hierarchical inheritance. Guys, hierarchical inheritance. What we have studied in hierarchical inheritance. Yes, everyone tell me. Simple, guys, simple. Okay. Like first we have one class, one parent class, and one child class. Yes, one class, one child class. That is your single inheritance, basically normal. Okay. Now, if we have one, okay, sorry, guys, just a second. Okay. Now let's say a voice breaking. Am I audible, everyone? My voice is clear. Okay. Okay, guys. Now what I'm saying, everybody. Now what I'm saying, like if we have one parent and multiple child, we have seen this is hierarchical inheritance. Yes or not? Yes. Like one parent and multiple child. This is hierarchical, and multiple parents and one child. That is your multiple. Okay. This is hierarchical, and when we have multiple parents and one child, that is multiple. Okay. Clear or not, everybody? Clear or not? One parent, two childs, or more childs, then we can see it hierarchical. Now, more parents, one child, then we will call it as multiple. Clear, everybody? Clear? Confusion is clear or not? Okay. So now what is this? Everybody tell me now what is this? Tell me, guys. Now tell me first what is this? What type of inheritance? Yes, everybody. What type of inheritance? Hierarchical. Now clear? Okay. Yeah. Hybrid Swaroop. No. What I am talking about, like this picture. Only this picture. Okay. Only this picture. What type of inheritance? Okay, Swaroop? Yeah. Okay. No issue. Okay. Now let's say guys, now let's say B and C, B and C. Okay. Now D is inheriting from both B and C. Okay. D is inheriting from both B and C. Okay. B and C. Now just see this part. Okay. Just see this part guys. Now what type of inheritance is this? Now just see this part only. Now tell me fast. This what is this type of what type of inheritance is this? Multi-level Soumya? Correct, Shruti? Yes, Soumya? What about others? Everybody tell me what type of inheritance is this? Multi-level seed? What is multi-level inheritance? Everybody? Everybody is saying multi-level. Why, guys? See here. That is multi-level. A, B and D. See? I'm just talking about this picture. Only this picture. Okay. Here we can see we have two parent child. Okay. Two parent class B and C. Yeah. And then D is your child. Yes. Hierarchical Chirag. Guys, you guys are so confused, I think. Okay. Let me just clear you. Let me just clear you everybody. Okay. Now first hierarchical. What is hierarchical? Basically when you have one parent class, okay, everybody, one parent class and two child, okay, one parent class and multiple child class, okay, one parent class and multiple child class, okay. See, like this, B and C, okay. So what is this? This is hierarchical, everybody, okay. This is hierarchical, okay. This is hierarchical, okay. Clear? Now if you have like this, okay, you can easily understand by picture, everybody. Like if you have like this, okay, like this, okay. So this is multiple. Okay, what is this? This is multiple. Clear or not, guys? This is multiple. Okay. Now what is multi-level, guys? Now what is multi-level? This is like this, okay. Let's say I am having A, then I am having B, and then I am having C, okay, like this. So this is what, guys? This is what? This is your multi-level, okay. Multi-level, you can understand it by level, okay, guys. You can understand it by level, like level by level. Clear, everybody? Clear? Clear the difference between these three? Yes. Now again I will ask you, everybody. Okay. Now again I will ask you, everybody. Okay. Let's say I have this. Yeah. I have this. Now I am like B is inheriting from A. C is also inheriting from A. Now what is this? Tell me, everybody. Now what is this? Which inheritance is this? Hierarchical. Clear, everybody? Now forget about A. Forget about A. Okay, forget about A. Let's say D. D is inheriting from B and C. Now what type of inheritance is this, everybody? Now what type of inheritance is this? Multiple. Yes. Clear? Now here what? Now let's see, guys. Okay. Now what type of inheritance is this, right? Okay. From A to B and B to D. From A to B and B to D, guys. Tell me, everybody. Multi-level. Clear or not, everybody? Clear or not? Yes. So this is what your hybrid inheritance is. Okay. This is what your hybrid inheritance. Okay. Combination of two, basically combinations of two inheritance. Okay. Clear, everybody? Clear or not? So here we can see, this is your multi-level inheritance. Yes. This is your multi-level, and what this part? This part is your multiple inheritance. Yes. Multiple, guys. Clear or not? This is like we can say multiple. Now multiple plus here we also have multi-level. Yes or not, guys? Multi-level. Yes. So multiple plus multi-level. Yes, guys. So what we call it as hybrid inheritance. Okay. Hybrid inheritance. Yes. Clear everybody? Clear? So basically hybrid inheritance is, yeah, correct, hierarchical also. Okay, less hierarchical also. Okay, so now what we can call it as, like, what we can call it as hybrid inheritance. Okay, now how we can define hybrid inheritance, everybody? Basically it is a combination, yeah, correct, combination of two or more types of inheritance. Types of inheritance. Yes or not, guys? Yes or not, guys? We can tell it like this. Yes, clear, everybody? Clear what is hybrid inheritance is? Yes. Can we see an example, guys? Can we see an example? Yes. Yes. Okay. So now let's say I have a class. Okay. Let's say grandfather. Grandfather. Okay. Now let's say, okay, sorry. Yes. Now I have a class grandfather. Let's say he has some property. Okay, let's say property. Now let's say print. This is our property. Okay, this is our property. Now let's say any other function. Okay, let's say what we can have. Let's say house. Okay, house. Let's say, guys. Okay, print. This is our house. Okay. Now let's say, guys, we have another class. Let's say father. Okay. Now father can inherit the property of grandfather. Yes or not, everybody? Grandfather. Yes. Now let's say in this we have functions. Let's say car. Okay. Now print. This is our car. Okay. This is our car. Now let's say we have function. Let's say bike. Print. This is, sorry, what is happening? Okay, this is our bike. Okay. Now let's say we have a class, guys. Okay. Now let's say we have another class. Let's say mother. Okay, mother. Okay. Mother can also inheriting the property of grandfather. Yes or not? Everybody tell me. Mother can also access the property of grandfather. Yes. No, uncle can. Mother cannot access the property of grandfather. Whatever the properties that father has, also mother can also access. Yes or not, everybody? Mother can also access. Yes or not, everyone? Yes. So now let's say it has its own function. Let's say garden. Okay. Let's say print. This is our garden. Okay. Now let's say in mother, let's say we have scooty. Okay, scooty. Now print. Let's say this scooty. Okay. Now let's say, now guys, we have a class son. Okay, class son. Now what it can inherit? It can inherit the property of father and mother both. Yes or not? Yes or not, everyone? Yeah, father, mother. Yes. So now it has its own functions also. Let's say what we can say, guys. Okay, room. Print. This is my room. Yes, this is my room. Yeah, phone. Let's say deaf phone. Okay, self. Print. This is my phone. Sorry. Okay. Yes, guys, we have created the classes. Yes. Now let's create the object. Everybody, let's create the object. Now he can access his own function, yes or not, guys? He can access his own function. Phone, let's say. Yes. Phone, let's say. See. Sorry. Spelling mistake. Just a second, wait. Just a second. Sun object has no attribute phone. S is small. It's that. Oh, sorry. Sorry, guys. Oh, yeah. Yeah, correct. See, you can see the multiple inheritance. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay, we will see that. Okay. Now, so see, guys. This is what. This is what he can access the property of his own. So we have created the object of sun. He can access the property of his own. Yes, everybody. Now, what he can access? He can access the property of father also. Yes, yeah, correct. Let's say father. What is the property of father? Let's say bike. Okay, bike he can access. Yes or not, guys? See. Now he can access the mother property. Let's say scooty also. Yes or not, guys? Yes. See, this is our scooty. Now son can also access the property of grandfather. Yes or not, everybody? Yes or not? Grandfather house. Let's say okay. See, this is our house. Yes. So now in this we can see multiple inheritance. Yes or not? Yes or not, guys? Where is multiple inheritance? Tell me, everybody. Where is multiple inheritance? From where point we can see the multiple inheritance? Yes or not, guys? Tell me, everyone. Yes, tell me. Mother, father, son. Correct. Here you can see, guys. Here, like here you can see. This is your multiple inheritance. Yes. This is your multiple inheritance or not, guys? Tell me, everybody. Is this your multiple inheritance? Yes. Clear? Here you can see the multiple inheritance. Now what else you can see? Now what else you can see? Now else, which type of inheritance you can see in this? Yes, everybody. Yes. Tell me, everyone. Tell me. Hierarchical. Now hierarchical where? Now hierarchical where? Yes, tell me, everyone. Now from where to where it is hierarchical inheritance? Tell me, guys. Yeah, correct. Like grandfather and father and mother. Yes. This is hierarchical or not? Correct. Yes. This is hierarchical, guys. Yes. Correct. Hierarchical. Yes. So in hybrid we can see the multiple combination. Yes or not, guys? Yes or not? Yes or not, guys? Clear? You can see the multi-level also in this. You can see the multi-level also in this. Yes or not, guys? Like we can access the property of grandfather and son. You can see the multi-level also. Yes or not, guys? Clear? Clear, everybody? Yeah, correct. See. Okay. So we can see what is hybrid inheritance. It is the combination basically of two or more types of inheritance. Okay. Two or more type of inheritance. Okay. So clear, everybody? This is what inheritance is. Okay. This is what inheritance is. So everybody is clear with the inheritance part? Yes or not? Inheritance part, everybody is clear? Yes. Okay. Yes, guys. So now we can see the polymorphism concept. Okay. Now we can see the polymorphism concept. Okay. Polymorphism. Okay. Polymorphism, guys. Okay. Now in polymorphism, guys, there are two concepts. Okay. Okay. There are two concepts, everybody. First is basically your method overloading. Sorry, why it is, yeah, method overloading, and second is basically your method overriding. Okay, overriding. Okay, method overloading and method overriding, guys. Okay, now what is this method overloading and what is this method overriding? Okay, now let's see, everybody. What is this method overloading and method overriding? Now, what is method overloading, guys? Okay. Now, method overloading basically, like in a file, guys, okay, in a file, okay, in a file, more than one function can exist with the same name, okay. If you create more than one function with same name, okay guys, in a file, if you create one function with same name, okay, with same name, okay, but number of parameters you pass in this, okay, number of parameters basically, okay, is different, okay, is different, okay guys, is different, okay. So this is what your concept of method overloading is, okay. Now what I'm trying to say, guys, okay, now what I'm trying to say, understand this, okay. Let's say I have created a function, let's say sum, okay everybody, sum. Now in this I have passed two parameters, okay, a and b, okay. Now a and b, now let's say everybody, in this I am printing a plus b, a plus b, okay. Now I have created another function, guys, okay, with the same name, sum. Now in this I have passed three parameters, guys, okay, a, b and c, a, b and c, guys, okay. Now I am printing a plus b plus c, okay guys. So what we have created? We have created two methods, yes or not, guys, with the same name, but the number of parameters in both the functions is different or not? Is different or not? Yes, everybody. Number of parameters is different. Now, according to method overloading, guys, okay. Now, according to method overloading, okay. No, I'm not talking about a class C, okay. I'm not talking about any class, okay. Normal, what is the concept of method overloading? I'm trying to understand you, okay. Here, see, here I'm not talking about a class and objects, okay. Like simply I have created two functions. Yes, simply have created two functions with the same name. Yes, okay, Shruti, see, I have created two functions like sum. See, you can see both the functions have same name, sum, yes. Now in this sum, I have passed two parameters a and b. Now in this sum, I have passed three parameters a, b and c. Yes or not, guys? Yes or not? Yes. Now what I am saying, according to the method overloading, everybody, according to the method overloading, now whatever the parameters you pass, okay, when you call the function, whatever the number of parameters you will pass, that function will call, okay, that function will call. Like if I will create the method like this, okay, I will call the function. This is how we call the function. Yes, this is how we call the function, guys, okay. Now let's say if I pass here three parameters, 2, 3, 4, so this function will get called, okay, this function will get called, okay. Second one, now according to method overloading, if you pass here two parameters, now which function will get called? Yes guys, tell me everybody, according to method overloading, which function will get called? First one, yes or not everybody, first one? Yes. Now see guys, see, it is not running. What it is saying? Sum missing one required positional argument. Yes, sum missing. Now which function it is running, guys? Now which function it is running? Tell me everybody, which function it is running? Second one, yes or not, guys? So this is why we can say that method overloading is not supported in Python. Yes, everybody, that method overloading is not supported in Python. So everybody, method overloading is not supported in Python. Clear everybody? Clear or not? Like according to method overloading, whatever the number of parameters I pass here, that function should be called. But here we can see if I am passing the parameters to this function should be get called according to the method overloading, guys. Yes. Now we can see this function is getting called in Python. This function is getting called in Python. The latest one which we have created, the latest one is getting called. Yes or not, guys? Yes or not? Yes. Now let's say if I have created another function with the same name, like let's sum here, okay. Now sum here, I don't pass any parameter in this, okay. I don't pass any parameter in this, guys, okay. Let's say print, I'm printing hello, okay, hello. Yes, I don't have pass any parameter, guys. Now if I run this cell, okay, now if I run this cell, now if I pass these two parameters, 2, 3, now see again. Some take 0 positional argument, but 2 were given. Yes or not, guys? Clear? Clear? In this, I have passed 2 parameters. Parameters. Yes, in this, I have passed 3 parameters. Yeah, correct. It is overriding basically. Overrided the function. We have overrided the function. Okay. So this is what 0 parameters we have passed here. Okay. So now whatever the latest function that is getting called, everybody. So everybody method overloading. So here method overloading concept is failed. Yes or not, guys? Here method overloading concept is getting failed. So what we can say that method overloading is not supported in Python. Okay. So whenever, yeah, correct. So if anybody tell you that is method overloading supported in Python, so you said no. Okay. Clear, everybody? Yes. Clear till this part, everybody? Method overloading. Yes. So now can we cover the method overriding, or we should left it for the yesterday class? Yes, everybody tell me. Yes. Are you guys want me to how long it is? See, we have created a function like we can see the method overriding tomorrow. Okay, guys? Okay, we will see the method overriding tomorrow. Okay? Everybody is clear till the method overloading or not? Like it is not supported in Python. Okay? So if anybody asks you that is this supported in Python, you will say no. Okay? Method overloading is not supported in Python. Clear, everybody? Yes. So I hope everybody is clear about this today's session. I'm sharing this file to you all. Just a second. Okay. Yes. So this is the file, everybody. Now, anybody any doubt? You can tell me now, guys. Anybody any doubt? You can tell me now. Yes. Anybody any doubt? You can tell me now, guys. Ma'am, please share the text in polymorphism once. Please share the text in polymorphism. This should be this. Okay. I have shared you the file. You can see it from here also. Okay. Yes, everybody. Anybody, any doubt? You can tell me now. Otherwise, I hope everybody was clear with all the concepts like inheritance. We have studied about inheritance only. Yes. Clear? Yes, guys. So now, whoever is clear with the sessions, they can leave. And those who have any doubt, you can tell me now, guys. Okay. Yes, everyone. Can we create object with father class? Any use? Yes, you can create Arif. Father class, what you're trying to say like this. If you have created a parent class, you can create the object of the parent class also. Okay, Arif, you can create the parent class object also. It's just that they just can access their function only. Okay, they can access just their function only. Okay, what is the use? See, this is how in inheritance the use is basically like we are just replacing the number of code. Okay, we are just reusability of the code. We are increasing the reusability. Okay, so if we have some properties that are in father, we can getting the property in son also. So rather than copying the functions in son, we can just do the inheritance. Okay, we can just do the inheritance. Okay, yes or not? Okay, can we import functions also? From module import class name, function name. No, what is this? What is the C period? See the classes and the functions that are not inbuilt in Python. See, okay, that are not inbuilt in Python. Okay, we create this. Okay, we create our classes and functions by our own. Okay, we create our classes and functions by our own. Okay, yes or not? Yeah. So see, whatever the things you can import, that are inbuilt in Python, that are already in Python, that you can all import. Okay, like the libraries and all things and the methods that are already inbuilt in Python, that you can import. Okay. Yes. Anybody? Any other doubt? Everybody's clear. Okay. I hope everybody is clear about the session. Okay, guys. So now we can end this meeting. Now we will meet tomorrow. Okay. Ma'am, pandas and numpy also. Yeah, pandas and numpy basically these are the libraries of Python. Okay, Priyanka. So we will study about pandas and numpy. After this OOPS concept will get completed, we will study about the pandas and numpy also. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day, everyone. Okay, we will meet tomorrow. Yes. Okay, guys. Yeah. Bye, Sudhir. Yeah. Have a good day, Shubdeep. Why? What, Kiran? What is the issue, Kiran? Okay, you have created a function. Yes. Yeah, you have created a function of student. Yes. Now, what is the issue, Kiran? What is the issue here? This will give only the second out y. Yes, that is what basically the overriding is. Okay. I have told you like whatever the latest function you will create, that will get called. Okay. That will get called. Yes. Okay. So I hope everybody's yeah. Okay, I hope everybody's clear. Now I'm ending this meeting. We will meet tomorrow, guys. Okay. Have a good day, everyone.